So right behind me is ARPICE.
ARPICE is the Arduino Raspberry Pi Python. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot it.
Leo's like the only one that could actually say it.
ARPICE stands for Arduino Raspberry Pi Intelligent Chess Engine.
ARPICE is our chess robot.
You have a Raspberry Pi that runs Python, and it talks to the Arduinos. And the Raspberry Pi is the real intelligent part of it. It's the part of it that does the thinking, and it tells the Arduino where to move the arm, when to get pieces, when pieces have been captured, the score of the game.
The challenging thing with hardware as a CS student is I have no clue what I'm doing. We had to do a lot of research when it came to the hardware side, learning how H-bridges works and how much voltage you can truly put into wires and breadboards.
We're not exactly engineers, so it was a big challenge getting over that hurdle, learning how to make everything work mechanically and electronically. It's a 2-axis system, so one stepper motor moves one direction, one moves the other way.
With there being hardware and software, it was hard to debug where the actual issue was coming from because it could be anywhere from a bug in our code to a wire not being correctly in place. We talked about this about a year ago before we even took the class, and we knew that it was a very big challenge, but none of us have ever worked on a project of this magnitude.
They knew what they wanted to do, which is fabulous. I don't think they knew what they were getting themselves into. I worked in industry for 15 years, let's pick a number. And so I've had that practical experience. When the students leave here, they're eminently qualified to go work for different sectors, automation and industrial robotics.
What I've achieved personally through this project, I think, is the full capability of starting something with an end goal and meeting expectations beyond belief. We are so happy with how this project came out, and we are ecstatic that we are able to present it to people who are also interested in things like this.
So here at Plymouth State, we're adapting to the ever-changing educational environment.
If you're thinking of anything, any crazy idea that you want to do, I would say just go for it. You're going to learn a bunch. If it comes out not how you planned it, you would have learned a ton, and it's very valuable. Just get hands-on.